Welcome to D4 Detailers. Piece marking is essential for maintaining organization and efficiency throughout the steel fabrication and construction process. In steel fabrication, piece marking is crucial for identifying and tracking individual components. Here's how it works.
This is how we mark the raw material that goes into production. So from here, it might go for drilling, and it will probably definitely go for welding. The way we mark it, we mark the center of gravity, so it's easier to use overhead cranes in the production floor, and then also easier to offload onto your site once it's in position. Then it's the code name for this beam. This is produced by our 3D detailing software. And in brackets, we have the last 3 digits of the project number. So we know exactly where it was to put all these steels together to load them and deliver all in one go. We produce drawings for every single beam, so even if it's a straight beam without any fabrication on it, we would still produce a drawing because the drawing, first of all, needs to be signed so it conforms with CE marking, and also it shows the coatings whether it's primed or do not paint. So like in this case, part of it needs to be primed and the ends not, because it is a splice connection.